Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So I hope you have also linked these all the arrow key to the respective slide. If you have not done, please do that parallelly. If you want to take the trial, so I will attach this presentation, and also here we are going to do the same thing but quickly way. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this back button and we are going to paste it everywhere. You just see how I am doing. And here also in this learning and education I am going to paste this. Now let us take the trial. Go to the presentation mode. You can see that I have applied all the links. Now I will just check one by one. Learning and education, yes, it is jumping. Let me do back. Personal life, it is working. Back. Business and profession, financial education, create a website. So now everything is working very fine. So this is the way how you can use the link with the forward and backward. So likewise you can use with the help of image. You want to jump from one image to another, you can do. This is very easy way to apply the link. So I thought that let us take the demo of the link which we have applied earlier, and so that you can also practice it and also download this whole PowerPoint presentation and practice by yourself also. Thank you so much.